Today, we'll be studying about pronouns. A page from Raghav's diary is about his friends Rahul and Riya. So, before we dive into our chapter, let us take a look at his diary entry. Riya likes to jog. Rahul is Riya's friend. Rahul too likes to jog. Riya and Rahul went to a park. Riya saw a squirrel. The squirrel had a bushy tail. Rahul saw the squirrel too, but Rahul was not as excited as Riya. So, you must be thinking that Raghav's diary could have been written better. How? By using pronouns. So, let us try doing it. Riya likes to jog. Rahul is her friend. He too likes to jog. They went to a park. Riya saw a squirrel. It had a bushy tail. Rahul saw the squirrel too, but he was not as excited as her. So, the words here, her, he, they, it, are pronouns. Pronouns are words that take the place of a common and proper noun. They avoid repetition of words and break the monotony in sentences. A pronoun must agree with the noun it refers to. This means that if the noun is singular, the pronoun must be singular. And if the noun is plural, the pronoun must be plural. If the noun is feminine, the feminine pronoun should be used, and so on. For example, the bus was late. It was stuck in the traffic jam. So here, for bus, we are using the pronoun it. Personal pronouns. A personal pronoun takes the place of a person or a thing. They are used to talk about specific people or things. Personal pronouns are of three different types. Subject pronouns. I, you, she, he, they, we, it are subject pronouns and replace a noun as the subject of a sentence. Object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, them, us are object pronouns and they replace a noun as an object of a sentence. Possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, ours, its are possessive pronouns. They show ownership and are used to replace a noun phrase in a sentence. Examples of subject pronouns are he loves watching TV. Object pronouns are Mr. Khan taught me English. Examples of possessive pronouns. The pink house is ours. Demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun points out a specific person, place, or a thing. There are 4 demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those. For example, I had some delicious muffins yesterday. These ones are even better. Reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is a type of pronoun that usually follows a noun or a pronoun in a sentence and refers to it within the same clause. Reflexive pronouns point back to the subject in the sentence. They refer back to the subject of the sentence or the clause. They either end in self or selves. For example, I have written the letter myself. Interrogative pronouns. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. For example, Who won the match yesterday?